When is the best time of day to upload? That is something that will be entirely dependent on whatever type of niche you're in. And in most niches overall, the best time of day to upload is right when people are off work. The majority of the Western Hemisphere works in a 9 to 5 schedule, so uploading any time after 5 p.m. until around 10 p.m. at night is usually your best bet. This is because this is the time when most people will have leisure time. Free time to be able to check out YouTube and watch videos. You want to make sure that when you upload your videos, you upload it at a consistent time, as the majority of people that are watching you will be watching your videos on a consistent schedule. Meaning that from Monday to Friday, they are on a consistent timeline, so that if they do watch your videos on a consistent basis, it should be at the same time every day, every single time. You don't want to upload your videos at different times because it can confuse your viewers. You want to stick to one specific timeline that is convenient for you and your viewer. Don't pick a time that is not convenient for you and not convenient for your viewer. It will leave your viewer confused and will leave you stressed out. It's always best to stick to a consistent daily upload schedule, if possible. If you don't know the best optimal viewership, you can go into your YouTube analytics and it will show you when you should upload. Sometimes it tells you when your peak viewership is, and it does tell you to post before then. Like we said, if you've looked at the real-time graphs, you'll know when your graph peaks, or whatever time the graph usually peaks at. For example, if your graph usually peaks at 6 p.m., you should consider uploading around 5 p.m. This is because at 6 p.m., your channel gets the most traffic, meaning that people are expecting your new video to be released.